Hi guys, I hope you are good. Today I will introduce Scratch and let's start. Scratch is a free educational programming language that was developed by the Lifelong Kindergarten Group at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT). With over 51 million shared projects, it's a website targeted primarily for children aged 8 to 16 to help learn code. Scratch takes its name from a technique used in disc jockey called scratching. With Scratch, you can program your own interactive stories, games, animation, and share that creation with others in the online community. The advantages: Scratch allows for young people to integrate creativity in storytelling, games, and animation. Kids can collaborate on projects through the use of Scratch and share their projects online. 2. Scratch allows students to develop 21st century skills through the use of technology. Scratch can be used of all ages, school ages, and adults in a variety of settings. The disadvantages: a disadvantage of Scratch is that others can take what you've created and make it their own. This is actually called a remix. Others taking credit for work created can be a disadvantage if the user does not credit. 2. Another disadvantage is user lack of training when using Scratch. This could be behalf of the teacher and student. 3. Teachers cannot monitor what students are creating in Scratch. Inappropriate material may be used that students that the teacher would have no knowledge of until they view the final Scratch project. Interface is the area on your screen where the Scratch program exists. The screen is divided into multiple sections or panes which have different functions, from picking blocks to code with coding to seeing your code in action. We will go through the different. The block palette is where all the code blocks exist. Blocks category. These blocks can be dragged to the scripting area to either code sprites on the stage. The sprite info pane is where we can find info about our sprites as well as manipulate them. Access this pane by clicking on the thumbnail of the desired sprite. This area also allows us to delete and create new sprites. Costume and backdrop panes can be accessed by clicking the middle tab in between the code tab and the sounds tab. This is where we can create and multiple sprites and backdrops. To switch between costume and backdrop panes, select the desired thumbnail in the sprite info pane. The Sounds pane, the last tab in the top left area of the interface, allows us to create and manipulate sounds. You can even record your own. Toolbar and tutorials. The toolbar on the top of the screen allows us to load and save projects as well as undo the selection of sprites. Find a variety of tutorials how to do just about anything Scratch by clicking the tutorials button. And finally, all the beginners should follow these steps to know more. First, getting started.